Service in Indianapolis has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Monroe County, southwestern Morgan County, northeastern Owen County, until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:24 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 10 miles north of Spencer, or 20 miles northwest of Bloomington, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Gosport around 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Paragon around 8:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Monroe, Morgan, and Owen. And now a special weather statement.